If we want to use organic fertilizers, we should include at least 3 crops in the rotation. That is because the effect of an organic fertilizer will last longer than a single year. And according to our method of calculation, we consider 3 years. If we have a 2-year rotation, like the one we have already seen, like with sunflower, we would include this rotation twice to have at least 3 crops. Therefore, we would include first wheat, then sunflower, then wheat again, and then sunflower again. And for each, we will include the yield that we have already seen in this example, 3.5 tons per hectare for wheat and 2.5 for sunflower. Now we have been testing a clay soil, rainfed conditions. The location is Córdoba. We don't have soil data, so the only alternative is maintenance. Now we go to proceed, and the first crop in the rotation would be receiving the organic fertilizer. So we open the fertilizer window and go to organic fertilizers. In this case, we're going to select manure from a beef farm, with cattle for beef. Click on plus, and it will be incorporated before planting. Whenever we select an organic fertilizer, the actual needs for phosphorus or potassium might not be met by that fertilizer. So just in case we select a straight phosphorus fertilizer, for instance triple superphosphate, to be incorporated before planting if needed, and also a potassium fertilizer like potassium chloride to be applied if needed as incorporated before planting. Then we will in general need to apply straight nitrogen fertilizer after planting. Okay, we click on proceed. The other crops in the rotation could receive straight or complex fertilizers. We're gonna go to the simplest solution, that is applying the complex fertilizer as seen in previous examples, and then apply calcium nitrate to complete the nitrogen requirements. The same for the following wheat crop. Select the best alternative complex fertilizer and apply calcium nitrate to complete, and then for sunflower also apply the best NPK product incorporated before planting, and also calcium nitrate after planting. Then click on proceed. We get the results. Using the organic fertilizer, we have required also some phosphorus and some potassium, and also after planting we complete with calcium nitrate. Then the other crops have only received a complex fertilizer before planting, and then additionally calcium nitrate after planting. These are the corresponding costs. The values of losses are included here, and the values of acidification. Now we have a slight excess of nitrogen, a slight deficit of phosphorus, slight excess of potassium. We are exceeding very much the calcium requirements, and we have a small deficit of magnesium and sulfur.